My name is DaeLynn Trimble. I'm the founder of Operation Painted Hands, which is an outreach project for the community. The mission statement really is, you are loved, you're capable, you can do anything, you are you, and that's the greatest gift in the world. So we put that on a lot of the cards. All right, so this is just a small stack from the last session we did. There's actually 800 more in my car or so. We do them 2 at a time like that, and then we'll cut them in half. Then we'll shuffle them so someone at Children's Hospital could have the left hand and someone at a veteran's VA could have the right hand of that same card. This one says, every day may not be good, but there's something good in every day. You are that something. I was born with cerebral palsy. It's a disability. It's brain damage disability, actually. I did spend a lot of time in the hospital, in recoveries, doing surgeries. I've had 13 surgeries. So I think that motivated me because I know how it feels to just need just even a text or just something just to be like, hey, thinking of you. The nursing home that I did the first delivery to, I actually did my clinicals from when I took the CNA course here at Ames. We delivered 670, I think, to Children's Hospital. Another place I went to was Hearts and Horses in Loveland. Hearts and Horses in Loveland is a therapy center for kids with disabilities. We've probably done over or about 3,000, which is crazy. It makes me feel really good that there's so many people that are reaching out and that want to help. I'm getting emails and texts and calls from people that I've never met in my life from different states who somehow find out about it. It's not just me with an idea anymore. It's the community coming together and doing something. So in that hour or two that we spend Friday night, say, painting hands, it's an hour or two painting hands together. And really it's just an effort to put a little bit more positivity into the world. So, yeah.